Alright, so what's up guys? Today we made a homemade fish trap and we came out here to the creek. We brought the truck and we're gonna go set it to see if we can catch some fish to stock in our pond. So Clayton, give us the rundown of what this trap is made out of.
Alright, so we got a raccoon trap and then we put some cardboard with like the entrance and the little hole so that they can't swim out the other side. I don't know if it'll work or not, but then we got the glizzy dogs up in there and we got a rope to stake it down. And then we'll leave it there for, I don't know how long, but hopefully it'll work, so.
Let's try it out.
All right, so we're down at the creek now, ready to drop it on in the hole. Hopefully we catch something, not a snake, hopefully.
Nothing to coppermint. All right, guys, so we're gonna drop the raccoon / fish trap in. And let's hope that we catch some fish. Down there, and we'll check back in a little bit. Alright, so there it goes.
All right, so we're gonna pick up the trap. There's a giant fish on top of it right now. Yep. But we need to get it out a little farther. The entrance is pointing down too far. So
hasn't been too long, but I don't think we got anything. So let's throw it out just a little bit farther. Alright. We're gonna aim somewhere out here. I think now that the trap entrance is facing it. The trap.
all right, well, the trap is not gonna work today, so we're just gonna have to stick to rod and reel, and hopefully we can catch some. We're probably gonna walk down the creek a little maybe and see if we can find some other holes to fish. All right, we got the first green sunfish. Hopefully we can find a bass or a bigger one of these boys, but we're gonna fill up the bucket and get him in there so that we can stock the other pond.
Alright, let's put him in there. Nice. Let's go do that a dozen more times.
This spot hasn't been doing too good for us, so we're gonna walk down the creek a little bit and see if we have a little more luck down here.
Hopefully. Shoot, this water feels good.
It's low-key cold.
It's cold. It feels good though. See if we can find some little pools to fish out a few. Maybe a bass or a green sunfish, bluegill. Look at that. That might be a stick. Yeah, that's a stick. I'm done. So this land right here, it's super slippery. So, you know, there might be some parts where we'll fall in. You know.
Fall in our fall.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yo, Clay, we're on catfishing.
We're on the beach right now.
Yep. On the beach in the Mississippi Creek.
Well, that worked out well.
Well, no, I saw a fish take it into a tree. Alright, we found a baby frog, and I'm gonna see if I can catch it. Look at this. A baby frog.
All right, we've moved to the entrance of the creek.
We got a nice
It's starting to rain, so we're just gonna keep walking.
Yep. Maybe we can
See what we can find.
Alright, we got our little crappie jig, but we're gonna see if we can get on some green sunfish or some bluegill. we go up in this creek, see what we can get. In that deep spot. There we go. Got a nice. What is that? Is that green something?
That's a bluegill.
No,
That's a
green-
hybrid.
Yeah, that's a hybrid green. Alright.
Well, the bucket is kind of far.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, when I went to go get the bucket, Jack lost the fish.
It's alright. There's plenty.
All right. Well, keep fishing.
Come on. No, I had one. There's a fish here. I'm gonna catch him. What's this one? Yeah.
All right, we're heading to a new spot.
Walking under the bridge.
They're going after it, but they're little.
Yeah, I think that will fit. Keep on moving. Oh, one of them. Alright, just walking through the creek over these rocks. Got a little pool right here. Looks like there should be some fish in here. Hopefully we'll catch some.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's fish in here. We'll catch us some.
Oh, come on, get it back in. There's a big one. Get that boy in here.
Yeah. This one's a hybrid.
Yep. All right, get it off so you can get that lure back out.
Here.
All right, next fish going in the bucket. All right.
I would like to put bluegill in there more than green sunfish, but both of these. Trying to get it right up on that bank and just let it sink. Okay. You see that catfish?
Yeah, I don't know if catfish will eat this.
There we go.
So there's some catfish
Hey,
in this
you know
hole.
what I think we need? A cast net.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
Alright, let's keep going down. Alright, got another little hole. Toss it in there.
Oh, yep, there's fish.
There's fish in there.
There we go. Is that a bass?
That's a bass, yeah.
Let's go. First bass of the day.
Yep, nice little one. Going in the pond.
Going in the pond to become a tank.
Oh yeah.
And holy, why are there so many ants?
Holy ants, yeah. There you go. He's bleeding a little bit, but then a little
Nice bass.
largemouth bass. All right, got the largemouth bass. Putting him in with the other one. Oh yeah. Sorry about the echo. We're kind of under a bridge right now.
All right.
All right, guys. This is the best looking spot of creek water we've ever seen, and it's just waist deep and looks perfect for some little bass and some bluegill. And I scared all the fish away.
Oh yeah, there's some in there.
Messing up my jig. What are we doing? Alright. There we go. Green sunfish, baby, going in the pond.
Next fish going in the bucket. All right, well, I just caught a really decent bass out of this creek off camera. So that was pretty fun. He was feisty. So let's get him in the bucket. Bass going in the water.
Oh yeah, swims off nice.
All right, another green sunfish going in the bucket.
A baby one, but he will still produce. There you go. And with the other, how many did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we got 6 fish going to the pond.
All right.
All right, guys, we just caught another little bass, but hey, he'll produce. All right, guys, so this pond right here, it has maybe 1 or 2 bass in it. So today, we're going to the creeks around in our neighborhood, catching the green sunfish, bluegills, and some bass to stock the pond. First off, we got a green sunfish. Swimming off nice. Next. Holy heck, yeah. So hard to grab. A baby green sunfish. Another beautiful green sunfish with the squatty truck in the background. Going in. Do we have any green sunfish left? Giant green sunfish. Come off. Now I got 3 bass going in. Well, that was me. Alright, we got one right here. And oh yeah, going in the pond.
There he goes.
You saw him?
Yeah, I think so.
No, he didn't.
He did?
He's just in there. Alright, he swam off now. Gotta make sure the fish leave. And then the last one. The giant. The big boy for the creek fish. Yeah. Come on, don't say no. There we go. Nice. Going in. Biggest one of the day. Oh yeah.
All right, now there should be some more fish to grow in this pond for future years. And hopefully they turn into 10-pounders. We can only hope. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video of us stocking more fish into the pond. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Make sure to subscribe.
Totally not in the water.